friends, welcome to the Bikers. I am Neeraj and today we are going to show you a motorcycle kit that we have made for you people. There was a time when Royal Enfield made a limited edition motorcycle. It used to look like this. And as you all must have seen, we have been making motorcycle kits which can be readily mounted on your motorcycle. And lately we have been doing Kabir Singh, we have been doing army green kits. So this time what we have made is really special. Come on, let's have a look. Everything that you see here is paint. There is no vinyl wrap, there is no sticker, nothing. Even this that you see here, Royal Enfield written, this is also paint. And all the parts are here. This is for the classic model of Royal Enfield, the headlight casing, the shocker tube, the front mudguard, the rear mudguard, the tank, the side panel, the filter box, the toolkit box, and the battery cover. If you closely look at the quality of the paint, you will realize that it is very premium. And people who have in the past, they have bought the motorcycle kits from us, they know what kind of work we people do. So if you wish to buy this kit and you want to mount it on your motorcycle, you can contact us on this number. We can pack it nicely and we can send it to you so that you can just put it on your bike and your bike will have a really special look. That's it. Ride hard and ride safe. Cheers. Well, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can keep on getting the regular updates from us, whatever we are doing.